Alright guys, today we are going to replace a pump on a dewalt 3400 psi 2.5 gallon per minute pressure washer. I'll put the pump in the description below. I know it seems like it may be an easy task, it's just the 4 bolts. But sometimes these things are a pain in the butt to get off, and there's little tricks. I'll go through that. I'll open this pump up and show you. I got the exact same one, but it's 3,500 psi, so slight upgrade. 3,500, 2.5 gallon pump. Hold on, let me open it up. Just make sure if this helps you out in any way, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, show your support. Use a big box to ship a little box. All right. It's a AAA pump, just like the original. And it's not that expensive at all. You'd be surprised. Okay. Comes with new bolts, lock washers, new line for the soap dispenser line. What's in there? And it has a sealed cap on it. So once you're done replacing, you got to put the vented cap on it, so that if you don't, it'll blow the seal right out of it. You got to have that vented cap in it. All right, so first things first, looks like 13 millimeter. We're gonna pop those 4 bolts out. Okay, so off there, this is sliding out, so it's gonna come off real easy. Sometimes they don't. So if it doesn't want to come off, you get a pry bar in there and it doesn't want to move off, what you do is you start the engine, and this thing, the vibration, you can pry on it and it'll slide it right off. This one's just coming right off. It doesn't, sometimes they get, oh look, see, it's starting to rust, but it just didn't get enough rust to hold it in there tight. So I pulled that one off to the side, pull this keyway out, and then we're going to take a little bit of sandpaper, and we're just going to shine this rod up real quick, and then clean off the keyway as well. Alright, so take some grease, rub it on, make sure it's all greased up real well. That'll just help keep the corrosion from happening next time, if there is a next time. Keyway, oh, where'd the keyway go? Oh, there it is. Go ahead and wipe that down real good. I turned the engine over till the slot was up top. Keyway in. We want it towards the end right there, like that. Then new pump. Make sure it's turned so that the keyway's up top. Get it in. Slide it in. Oh, pop the keyway out. So you got to be careful. You kind of want to get it lined up. I'm going to need to use both hands. It shouldn't slide the keyway if you've got it the right direction. It shouldn't slide it. I've got this turned around so you can see it, but basically you want to be able to hold this keyway with your finger as you slide this on, so that you know that it's in the keyway, because if it knocks this keyway out, this is not going to pump any water. And then you get it slid all the way in there nice and tight. Alright, once you've gotten it started, you know it'll slide right on, no big deal at all. Get it slid on there nice and tight, and you put the 4 bolts back in there. You can use the old ones or the brand new ones, either one. I'm just going to put the old ones back in because I know they fit and I'm not going to mess around. Get them all started before you tighten them up, and then you tighten them down, and you know, from one side to the other, and then from this side, you know, just go crisscross on it. 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch. If it comes off, that it's not going to want to. Yeah, so big flathead screwdriver. Take this guy out. All right, then you put the black cap in. See, the black cap's got this vents in it so that it can breathe. The vent comes out somewhere. It's got vents so that it can breathe and it doesn't build up pressure. Without this in it, you'll blow this main seal out of it and it'll leak all the oil out and blow the pump up. So make sure you put that in. All right, now we got this cap. Now, this is the original homeowner pressure washer fitting. This guy has his own like quick release fitting on. So I'm gonna unscrew that thing. Try. Yeah, that should come out. I'm gonna unscrew this thing and I'm gonna screw it back into that. It's just a whole piece. Screw it onto this. Alright, and then got this guy here. Pop this cap off. Make sure there's that screen in there. It's got a nice new screen in it. If not, you can take the old one out. You know, it's a little screen like that. It isn't going to hurt to take the old one out and throw it up in your toolbox so you've got a spare laying around. That just keeps the, at least down here, it keeps the lizards out of your pressure washer pump, but it also keeps, you know, leaves and trash and whatever that's in your garden hose out, and dust, dirt, stuff like that. All right, guys, it already comes full of oil and everything. Now it's time to put on the soap line. It just stabs in place right here. The soap line, he doesn't use it, so I'm gonna just get a piece of zip tie or something like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie it to the frame so it's out of the way. All right, and that's it, guys. That's all set up and ready to go. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Put the pressure washer pump in the description below. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.